Oh, what's up, guys? Good morning. How's everybody's day going today? I'm good, man. How are you, Peter? I just had a good workout, sauna sesh. No, I gotta fast for another 4.5 hours. That'll be fun. What's up, Ian? Benjamin? Hola, senor. Oh, man. Oh, baby. I like coffee more than I like crypto. BTC's fine. I mean, it's still within market structure. You just break one support and you go to the next. Draw another. What's up, Adrian? Asado. Arna. Arno. Oh, man. Oh, man. Wife was so rude this morning. She got to get up at 4:30 a.m. to go to work this week. And so she comes back into the room after she's done getting ready, and she's got the bathroom light on, which is directly across the hall. She got my door open. I'm sleeping well. I'm sleeping great, but not until she shines that damn light in my eyes and keeps it there while she gets her gym bag ready or whatever. Fucking pissed. Try yerba. Is that herb? Are you saying like marijuana? I'm cool on that shit. You guys can do that marijuana stuff. I got stuff to do. I got shit to do. Can't be smoking marijuana. Fucking sitting there and eating Doritos and watching Jesus Accusite Tech. All right. I'm going to answer this for you guys, okay? On ICX, bass face. Unless it's base face. Are you a fish or are you an instrument? I mean, which is it? On ICX, the extra tokens they unlocked. Okay, that was part of the white paper, and it was to pay vendors. I mean, we already knew that was going to happen. I mean, look, man, you have to look at it this way. They're using ICX tokens to pay their bills. They're not using the ETH from the ICO. That's still sitting there. Okay, so like they're using their digital currency as a currency. They would rather pay vendors in that and have vendors accept that than use the ETH. Like, I think that's positive. I could see you saying, no, man, they're just using the ICX coins to because they like ETH better. No, I don't think that's at all what's going on. I really don't. They didn't touch ETH when it was $800. Okay, like that's their piggy bank. If they have to use their ICO funds, they've gotten this far without having to use any ICO funds. Okay, you guys just gotta be patient. Like, if vendors are willing to accept ICX tokens, that's positive. We're talking about digital currencies here, and they're using their token as a digital currency. They would rather pay vendors in that to increase use of Icon. And their whole staking mechanism they're going to be coming out with is based on using Icon. It's not just sit there and hold it. They want people using Icon, okay? So if you guys don't understand, I mean, how are ICX tokens going to go up? They're building all these chains with all these services, right? So like chain ID, right? Voting registration, all this shit, like, and you name it, Line messaging, all that. That's a joint venture with Line, but they're building all these chains and all these services, okay, through the Icon loop. Well, you guys are forgetting that interoperability is like the big thing they've always clamored for. They need for these chains to be talking to each other. So if you are a doctor's office, right, and you want to call another doctor's office to get patient records or something like that, and it's all on the blockchain, on two different blockchains or whatever, or you're a doctor's office and you want to be able to interact with, have access to a patient's personal records. So you have let's just say, this is hypothetical, the medical blockchain and the personal identification blockchain, right? Well, neither of those blockchains are going to be able to talk to each other inherently unless you have a token that can go between the two, and that is the ICX token. Okay? So, relax. It's all fine. It's all going to be okay. No, I'm cool with the weed, guys. Like, if you guys like weed, I'm all down for it. Make it legal. I don't care. Do your thing. Smoke that pot every day. Get higher than the fucking hills. I'm cool on that shit, man. I get it's not for me. It's not for me at all. It's just not my type of shit, you know? It doesn't matter how much I smoke or how much I eat or drops. It doesn't matter, man. Like, I'm fucking getting blown out of my mind, whether it's an indica or sativa or a hybrid, and I'm gonna sit there blown out of my mind. I'm gonna be all up in my head. I'm gonna be thinking about shit too much. I'm gonna be hungry as hell. I'm gonna waste about 8 hours, and I'm gonna wish that it was over almost immediately. So it's just not for me. I've done my marijuana exploring in the past, and I'm cool on that. But by all means, man, if it's for you, do things as cocaine. In all caps. Are you on cocaine right now? Jesus. Cocaine wakes me up better than coffee. I would think that it would. La cocaína? I'm cool on that shit too. All right. So, you guys ready to start doing some buying? Huh? These are the levels that you start buying. You gotta have stops. You gotta be willing to lose some. But we should see a bounce. What's up, Royski? MDMA, let's party. You guys are fucking crazy, man. Bunch of druggies. How about like some exercise, some fasting, some avocado, kale smoothies, and banging hookers and smoking crack. I mean, whatever happened to just that normal shit, you know? Ayahuasca with T-Mac. I would try ayahuasca for sure, one time. Everybody says it opens up your mind. I'd try it one time. It's like what, a herbal drink or something like that. I'll try anything once as long as it's not heroin or meth or crack or anything like that. Okay. Enough with the drugs, you fucks. I am drug free. Now Bouncing Muffin says that he needs cocaine. What in the hell is going on in here with you guys, man? It's fucking 8:45 in the morning where I'm at. And you guys are talking about drugs in the fucking chat. Welcome to crypto. Send me a link there, Adrian, on the Yerba. Sounds like one of those little handheld pets that you feed and clean their shit. My Yerba. Those Tamagotchis or whatever they're called. Okay, so who wants to do crypto? That's why we're here. Drug addicts. Calling the cops on y'all. Not. All right. How's this look right there? I think the most important thing should be front and center, and that's obviously me. I mean, because you guys are here for me, not for crypto, right? So we'll put me right there. I'm just kidding. Fuckers. Okay. Oh, Bouncing Muffin is Austin? What the hell? My body's a temple. No drugs allowed. Good shit, Simon. I'm gonna go have a baked potato. This is the weirdest chat ever. I might just need to cut the stream off and laugh at the chat for a minute. Okay. So, we're on Bitcoin. All right. Look at daily RSI is what I'm looking at here. Okay? It should bounce here, man. Right? It should bounce. Damn near right there. I'm looking at that. That tells me that we could bounce. I don't like the shorts versus longs. That's my only thing. So I'm not going to be taking swing positions. I'll be taking quick flippers. I will be taking quick flippers. Now here's the deal. $3,800 more shorts than long, or more longs than shorts. Not a huge deal. Shorts should come back up. This is usually the level at which shorts start rising and they don't fucking do anything with themselves. Okay? This level right here. So here's our support. This little blue line. And then here's our trend line support underneath. So we're looking at like 6,000, 6,080, and then down to like 5,850-ish to 5,800. Be prepared for that. There's a couple coins I'm looking at right now. All right. You can get long on Bitcoin if you'd like. Hold up one second. Bitcoin funding is only 0.101%, not a lot. Shorts are paying longs, or longs are paying shorts. Ethereum funding, I have an Ethereum long right now, and I'm trying to get in and out without paying too much funding, right? And I'll tell you why. I'm looking for a trend line and a 618 to 382, the little golden pocket shit here. We can put a little 0.65 up in this bitch. Right here at the golden pocket, try to get that little bounce, trend line. Go down to the hourly, 21, RSI, no bull div yet. I mean, technically that's actually kind of a bull div. Lower low on price, a little bit higher low. It would tell me there's probably a 30-minute bull div. Yes, there is. I'm trying to get 208 out of it. I would probably take, God, man. Ugh. I just don't want to pay a bunch of funding. It's the problem. But like, if we look at the Bitcoin chart and we put volume on the daily, it hasn't been a lot of volume on this drop. It really hasn't. I don't know, man. If that funding rate on Ethereum is going to scare you off, then I'm digging Cardano on Binance right now. It's right at the 618 and trendline support, like right there right now. And then the only thing is that if you look on BitMEX, it's at 786 instead of 618. It is what it is. So like I'm liking a lot better on Binance than I am on BitMEX. But if Binance bounces, BitMEX will too. So there you go. And both Binance is at a 618 right now. BitMEX is at a 786. But the fib rule is that both of those go to 382s. So 1230 potentially. Ooh, this coffee's warming my soul up. It's cold, man. It's fucking cold in this bitch. Feels like 18 degrees. What the hell? I'm cold. You gotta let it all hang out, fat bottom girls. You make the rockin' world go round. Austin, you're cracking me up, bro. All right, yeah. So I'm liking Cardano. Bat. I told you fuckers all along I want to get it at the 618. It's not there yet. Bang, son. Right around this area. Doesn't have a daily bull div yet. I might get it at this trend support, to be honest with you. Be prepared for it to hit 3150 also. But 4 hours probably got a fat ass bull div. No, it does not. Not even remotely close. Oh, wow, man, there hasn't been a lot of volume on the drop. It's setting up for a head and shoulders pattern. Up to 4,200-ish. Just know where the fuck you're getting out. Be early, don't be late. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Jesus. Jesus. Y'all need Jesus. XLM holding strong. If it could bounce here, that'd be awesome. 0.5 fib. Still bullish. Hidden bullish divergence. Bang, son. Bang, son. What you want, son? What you want? What you want, bitch? I saw, bitch. Might not be a bad place to pick up some XLM. What's Trizzy Trizon doing? Glad we didn't pick that shit up. I'll see you at 325 again. I will see Tron at 325. Or I'll eat my dick on national television. Poly bounced? Oh, you little bitch. What is this shit? This isn't the bounce. We're still getting it down here. I think we're still getting it down here to TBH. 32.22. I'll grab a little bit at the 0.5 fib, 3600. I mean, and I'll probably just end up making that 3500, guys. I'll grab a little bit, 3510. 3510, and then I'll start accumulating at 3220, 3120. You understand? One word. You understand. Why? Understand. You understand. Yes, NPXS is trying to bore us to death. There's no reason to sell it at the moment. All NPXS does is bore us to death. And so, no, I don't think it's going to pump. I think it's going to dump mercilessly. And the Pixis. That fucking volume is crazy. Oh, shit. It's crazy. People are just buying to stake it, though, man. I wouldn't want to be in this after the first of the year. That's for sure. Key's at a buy spot. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. This has not been a big volume dump on Key. Key's at a buy spot. Oh, RVN hit her buy spot. I saw, though. There you go. Have at it, boys and girls. Buy the fucking hell out of it. We've been lining that up for fucking 3 weeks now. Oh, look at that little 200 moving average. Starting on the 4 hour. Part of me worries that it is going to come down to 420, though. There's a bull div. Pretty large bull div. From 4 hour. From here. And there. Yeah, I'd buy some of this shit. Oh, you gotta let it all hang out. Fat bitch ass girls, you let the... Oh, Zilliqa, really? Yeah, 0.93 macro fib support. Just testing it again. It'll bounce here. That's probably a big volume candle. Not that big. That's what she said. Yeah, once it eclipsed 500, somebody had a big stop. It's fucking market stops are so stupid. They're just dumb. Look at that. They're stupid. Market stops are stupid. Are you listening? They're stupid. Did Icon wick? Not yet. Should be ready. Right around this 8,000 sat zone. I mean, come on. No volume. I'm sorry, but if we zoom out to the daily, guys, still no volume on this drop. It could go lower, guys. It really could. But like, this isn't a lot of volume. I'm sorry, but whales are gonna accumulate the fuck out of this shit. This is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I am not 1% worried about this project. I've looked into all the FUD and shit. I spent a lot of time last night, looking over Icon and checking out what people were saying and looking at the FUD, looking at what they're missing on and why. Not worried. They're fine. They are fine. It's not a scam. In Asian culture, it is, especially in South Korea, where they have very strict investment protection, very strict financial compliance restrictions, stuff like that, especially in South Korea where they're based. It is customary to underpromise and overdeliver. They have some of the best partnerships in crypto. They're working on the yellow paper. Staking will be out. Their communication needs to get better. Okay, it does. I'm glad that their communication needs to get better, and not some other things. Okay, this is a young project. This is not a turn around in 3 months and be loaded from Icon. This is turn around in 2-3 years and look back at your Icon stack and go, ha ha ha, bitch, bang, something like that. You guys having fun in bear markets? The market gets all scared and shit. Yawn. I would not be surprised to see a monster fucking bounce across the market. If we look at altcoin market cap, and I draw a trend line, there you go. Should get a bounce here, man. If not, we're going to go test fucking. Oh, that's a 50% drop. Yikes. Kind of. Not quite. 35% drop. I'm sorry. I think Cardano should bounce here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put a long in. Sue me. Entire BitMEX account. Daily close below 1 sat. I'll stop out. I'm going to put a little bit of long in some Cardano. Also, what's EOS doing? It's on horizontal support. I use candle closes. Everything shitted itself. Hold up, guys. Let me look at Cardano. Cardano, motherfucker. Oh my router. We're gonna go. Oh. Let me look at the Binance chart one more time. We'll put this together here. Yeah, man. If Binance closes a daily candle below 11.18, so 11.17 or lower, I'll exit this shit. I'll take my losses. I'm entering at 11.51, 2x leverage, 75,000 at a cost of 0.437. Hold my dick. Wish me luck. Dude, my ICX tweet last night has 124 likes. What the fuck? There's a community of bag holders in that coin. All right. So I'm trying to, if a daily closes below this 0.65, the 1118, I'll just get out, man. Because it's probably coming back down to 10 to 1,000 sats-ish, if that happens. All right, let's start getting some requests. PHX. No, absolutely not. Nope, no interest. Below the 0.5, it's above the 618, but this just looks like it's going to squeeze for these two to come, these 20 EMA and this 200 moving average, and then dump down to the 50. I'm out. No thanks. I've seen that too many times. Hydro. What the hell is Hydro? Is that it? Is it Hydro Protocol? Is that what you're wondering? Or hydrogen? It's got to be Hydro Protocol. Or hydrogen. Below the 0.618 of the whole chart. I think it's highly likely it comes down to test 48 sats again. I think it's highly likely. Did I get filled? Oh, I haven't gotten filled yet. Motherfucker. All right. Bismuth. This be the spot to pick it up. Resistance turn support. Right here, 50 moving average. Probably at Fib support. Right above the 618. Yeah, probably pick some up here. All bull volume. Yeah, up to at least 11,284. See what happens. I like that setup. Not half bad. Tell. Oops. Right at the 7A6. And horizontal support turn, resistance turn support right here. Should bounce here, man. Better hope. Oh! Yeah. Otherwise, better hope it bounces at 9. Also, it's going to go lower. Here or 9 sats. If not 9, lower. That's all I can tell you, man. And a bounce here would coincide with a test of 15 to 16. To the upside. Yeah, what the hell's up with where would I flip RVN to? 700. Right before that. This says 711, but I don't care about that. It takes them off the table at 610. Put a break even stop. What's QKC doing, man? Why is it fucking rising? Right at the 236. This is resistance. It won't continue here. It'll come back. Probably throw up a bull flag or something near 800 sats. We'll look at it day by day, by day by day. Like that little buy zone right there, though, bitches. There's no fucking way it does this. There's no way. Daily close over 920 is very bullish, guys. Oh, and SXDT. What the hell is that? And why are you in it? No, fuck no. What kind of a liquid shit is this? No, man, I don't even know what to tell you. I wouldn't buy this. You couldn't fucking pay me. I don't know. It's not going to hold this. It might bounce a little bit, but it's not going to hold this. It's at least coming back to 3,300, 3,200. I'm cool on that shit, man. I hope you didn't get caught up in a pump and dump on that. WTC shitted itself. I didn't know my name was WTC. Yeah, it definitely shitted itself. I'd say 36 is next, and then 31. Good luck, fam. TNT. All right, order filled. Your hope on TNT is that this is an ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern. The only problem, it doesn't have a long enough flagpole. And it keeps getting denied at the 236 resistance of the drop. You don't fucking say. Oh my goodness. Oh, Jesus. You have got to be kidding me, man. That is as textbook as it gets. It's the most textbook thing I've ever seen. I wouldn't be buying this. I just wouldn't be trading this. I need to see more. I have no problem telling you I don't know. Like, this is like the most in between chart I've ever seen in my life. Now, a daily close above 570 would be okay, we can talk, but I need to see it first. Until then, I wouldn't be trading this. I wouldn't be buying it. I just wouldn't, man. What do I think ICX will go to? To the upside? I'm selling my ICX above $20. $20 to $25. I'll sell my ICX. You guys can have my icon if you want it, but you got to give me 20 to $25 a token. I got as much fucking time as God will give me. MTH. Just bounced off the golden pocket. Monetha. See, this is a type of move I could see that last coin, that TNT, doing if it does go to the upside. It's like right here. That's good. And was it being denied at the 236? Pretty much for the longest time. So it's like right here, man. This is where TNT is. Right here or right here. It might get going. That's your hope. I mean, that's a good thing. Monetha just looks like TNT in the future if it does go well. It's off the daily 20 MA and the 0.5 fib of the entire move. Might be the golden pocket of this move. I doubt it. Looks a little low. Yeah, it's a 786. I don't know what golden pocket you're talking about, unless you're using a trend base, but I doubt it. I mean, it's a 618, but it's not. You could call that the golden pocket if I put a 0.65 there. I guess that's what you're using. I don't know, but it's the 0.5 of the entire move. So if it's going to bounce, this is where it'll go to. And I think that if it is going to bounce here, right on the daily 20 MA after a strong move up, that the target would be the first target would be 939. So that's good. And then where would you stop out at? It's a lot to give back. Below 700 on a daily candle close. Try to pick it back at 600. The risk reward's there. XDT. Do I know anything on it? No. You guys are balls deep. Oh, that was the one I just looked at. I'm sorry. Elf. This is where Elf is and what it bounced off of. Horizontal macro support. First time it's tested it. So I'll be trying to get out of break even. Move my stop down just a little bit because this wick support, which I wasn't paying attention to. I'll let you know. We'll look at it tomorrow again. ARN. It is moving average bullish. Hmm. Who's their CTO? Nadezhda Barkanova. She doesn't have. This in her LinkedIn profile. Why is that? Man, you got me a little speechless here. I'm sorry, guys. I really like the coin supply. Really like the coin supply. I'm not sure I like it long term. So they have a Telegram. Oh, yeah, show me your Reddit. I have to be invited. All right, they're on every exchange you need. I'm trying to figure out if there's enough fuel to get this bitch to 200k sats. Because this setup is as gorgeous as it gets. Mm. Kind of like it. Kind of like it. Stop below 93.45 on a daily close. It's a daily cloud edge. I mean, green Kumo. It's not cloud bullish yet, but it is moving average bullish. Who spotted this? Benjamin? This, yeah. Does the solution need to be on the blockchain? I think so. Yeah. Is this going to be the blockchain for it? Um, what do you mean ETH stop loss activated? It's on a daily close, bro. Under these market conditions, can this bounce here? I mean, you can take a chance, man. There's a big risk reward on this, and it would be a stop below 93.45 on a daily candle close. And if that happens, you're out. Because that's the daily cloud edge right there. Like, it's everything that you need. Daily cloud edge is right at the 0.5. It's a green Kumo, moving average bullish on the daily. You have a bullish pennant set up if it does bounce here. Yeah, I'd take a shot at it if I were, you know, it's worth taking a shot at. Is this going to be the project for aviation verification on the blockchain? Probably not. But you just need people to believe it will for long enough. Let's look at Yo-Yo. Yo. Golden pocket. Trend line break. Big volume on the first dump. No buying volume since. If you're going to buy it, I'd stop out on daily close below 450. 6. I probably wouldn't touch it. I'd probably be all right. Litecoin, same thing Bitcoin's doing. Probably coming down to 46.79, 46.50-ish. We'll see from there. Ask me tomorrow. It's going to do what Bitcoin's going to do. There's your 4-hour bull div on Bitcoin. Higher low on RSI. Lower low on price. Where will it come down to? Probably somewhere near 6,100 and 6,100. Bull div on 4-hour will still be activated by then. Should be okay. KuCoin's the shittiest exchange? Not quite, man. Have you been on Cryptopia? Have you seen what's that shitty ass Korean one? Is it Upbit? Or no, HitBTC? Ether Delta? Rough. Oh, have you seen Bitrex's UI? least you know they're solvent though. All right, this is what I like on the RSI. I like, okay, because RSI is a lagging indicator, and I didn't like this gap up here. I didn't say this, but I didn't like this gap up here between when we started the stream. And so for it to curl back up off this trend line, it needs to basically pierce it first, because this last portion of this RSI on the daily can curve back up by daily close. Okay, so now we have this setup to where we can curve back up by daily close. So I'm kind of glad that it's doing that, to be honest with you. Six-hour bull div. Damn near a 12-hour hidden bull div. But it wouldn't be if it goes any lower. Such little volume. I know it's only Tuesday, but last week was very small volume. All right. You guys like the video? If you like the video, that'd be great. I'm gonna keep watching this shit. I got a call here at 10 o'clock. I gotta prepare for it, but I'm gonna keep watching this. Should get a bounce. I think we're in bounce zone, guys. Just be patient. If you get a chance to long 5,800, I would do it. I'm just gonna say that. If you get a chance to long 5,800 to 5,850, Noah would do that. Do what you do. Watch my shoes. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. All right. I'll catch you guys tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, and then I'll be in the chats. Have a good one. Like the video, please.